Welcome back to our channel, where today we're embarking on a culinary journey through the heart of the home, the kitchen. Our focus? Kitchen layouts that combine form, function, and flair. Whether you're looking to renovate, rebuild, or simply dream, we've curated a selection of layouts designed to inspire and inform your kitchen transformation. Let's dive into the world of kitchen layouts, where every square inch matters and design meets functionality. The right layout not only reflects your personal style, but also enhances your kitchen's efficiency and enjoyment. First on our list is the *** U-shaped layout ***, a classic choice that wraps around 3 walls, offering ample counter space and storage. Ideal for those who enjoy cooking and entertaining, this layout creates an efficient work triangle, minimizing steps between the stove, sink, and refrigerator. Transitioning to the **L-shaped layout ***, we see a flexible option perfect for both small and expansive kitchens. Forming a natural corner, it leaves room for traffic flow and open-plan living, making it a versatile choice for many homes. Adding an island can elevate this layout, providing additional prep space and a spot for casual meals. For space-savvy homeowners, the *** galley or corridor layout *** is a masterclass in efficiency. With 2 parallel countertops, it optimizes every inch of space, ensuring essentials are within reach. Though compact, it's a powerhouse in terms of functionality, especially in urban apartments. The *** island layout ** stands out as a modern favorite, blending storage, prep space, and dining into one central hub. It's a statement piece that invites social interaction, making your kitchen the heart of the home. Whether you're cooking, eating, or entertaining, the island layout adapts to your lifestyle. Not to be overlooked, the *** peninsula layout *** offers an island-like counter accessible from 3 sides, ideal for kitchens limited by space. It serves multiple purposes, from prep area to breakfast bar, enhancing your kitchen's flow and functionality without the footprint of a freestanding island. For those who defy convention, the *** mixed layout ** encourages creativity, allowing you to blend elements from various layouts to suit your unique needs. Think of an L-shaped kitchen with a standalone island, or a galley kitchen opening into a dining area. The possibilities are endless. As we explore these layouts, remember the golden rule of kitchen design, the work triangle. This principle ensures that the stove, sink, and refrigerator are placed at optimal distances for ease of use. Additionally, consider the role of lighting in creating an inviting atmosphere, incorporating both natural and artificial sources to highlight your kitchen's best features. In conclusion, your kitchen's layout should cater to your lifestyle, preferences, and the unique dimensions of your space. Whether it's the classic elegance of a U-shaped kitchen, the modern functionality of an island layout, or the customized appeal of a mixed layout, there's a design waiting to bring your culinary dreams to life. Thank you for joining us on this design journey. For more inspiration and tips on creating your ideal home space, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep dreaming and designing.